I'll have fun doing that.
Just hold my hand up there. We are trying to record the sunset. Put it on a time lapse, so enjoy seeing that. What is up, people? It's been a while. It's been a while since I've talked to you guys. As I mentioned in my last video on the BRZ, review, I was talking about how I might sell this car soon and get a different car. That plan is still going on. I'm trying to save.
In 800 feet, at the roundabout, take the second exit.
I'm trying to save money right now for a Subaru WRX. Not the newest ones, but the older ones, ranging from like 2008 to 2014. My plan is to save about like, I don't know how, but save up to like 10K, and I have the rest of the other payments my parents will take care of. So hoping that'll happen. I don't know if it'll happen soon though, that's the thing. But I will be having this car for a while, so don't be sad, guys. I will be sad though when I sell this car, because you guys know how much I did to it. So it's like all my hard work will be just going away. But as long as you guys, as long as I find someone who can take care of it really well, that's all that matters. Like a car enthusiast or something. Right now we're just at the park currently, just want to chill, look at the sunset, and kind of enjoy like our last minute before we have to head back to school again tomorrow. Yeah, that's just to update you guys what's going on right now. Any more updates, of course I'll keep you guys posted with that, so yeah. Yeah, this is the park. It's really pretty when you come here during sunset. It's really chill, everyone's just out and just hanging out and just having fun with each other. What? I don't know what she's... I had to repark because that spot had way too many bugs. I think that's why my girlfriend was laughing. So yeah, just parking here, chilling. Guys, look at this mountain. Them San Jose mountains though. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be moving to LA soon. That's the new update. So I'll be shooting my vlogs over there. Oh hey! Shooting my vlogs over there. Starting my life over there, so. But the view! So nice. If I ever lived in SJ, I would be here. So it's so nice, but it's probably so expensive.
$1 million.
Yeah.
1 million to 2 million. What?
Hide and seek. He's sleeping. He's sleeping. Oh, he's sleeping. Ah. You look so cute from here. It's nice seeing the sunset. Alright guys, well, I'm gonna be, oh cop. I'll be ending the vlog. Yeah, so that's pretty much the update with the car. And I will keep you guys updated and posted as always. Hope you guys have a wonderful time, and I don't know what she's doing. But see you guys later.